ngijulile ngosothandweni lwakho ngandile kukholwa uthethe uqobo nako konke kwami ngivumile namhla ngijulile ngosothandweni lwakho Let's just enjoy it. Give me Sesungi Julile Oso Tandanela Nandile Kolariba Ute Sukomora It's a new song, but hey, you touch to Kobola. Kina kongi chulile Oso tangela Nandile Ebu koloriba Ute sukola You don't give me le jeu Osha Kina kongi chulile Oso tangela Yemaswata kithi ngiyancenga mina ngicela sakhuluma ngithi libandla lisekho itolo labe bahlabela ingoma itolo beba prophetha eBhayibhelini kuneba prophet bo Isaiah ba prophetha ngokuthi kwaJesu siyababonga labasibhalela licilongo asicela inkosi isijulisa hayi ngoba singayi nasuka nasiyomcela uNkulunkulu asijulisa once uNkulunkulu wakujulisa khona kwakho uyanza lesi iBhayibheli abantu abasada ukuthi khona kaKristu nebaphasi bethu imfihlakalo kumele bandlene usuku umphatha umbhobho nje ufakaza abasho base namhla ukhuluma imfihlo wanze kukhona kwakho let God enlarge your territories basi bantu bakubuka nesinethi imali tibudwe kuwe hayi ukuthi na uye endlini yakho ukhanze ifridge nesitutulu semandi akasanzise uNkulunkulu timfuyo tibudwe lakithi LiBhayibheli lithi wena abantu batawuthi ababoleke ungaboleki. You're gonna lend, never borrow. Deuteronomy 28 uthi you shall lend. It's coming to the church. Unless ke liqobo lakho akwavuma uNkulunkulu. If uNkulunkulu usurrender liqobo lakho kuye, he will multiply you. LiBhayibheli lithi uNkulunkulu wamblessa Jabez. Somebody more than Jabez is here in the tent. Isaiah chapter number 54 verse number 2 uthi telulo tinsambo telithende lakho ungathi bambelele. Enlarge your territories. This is what is happening in the spiritual realm. So asukeni itolo singene